This is the first video in a new chemistry topic where we're going to look at the details of atoms and particles. So previously we've learnt about particles, that they're small objects that make up materials. Small objects that make up matter. And previously we've seen that particles can be visible to the human eye. So sand grains, they're a particle, but they're big enough that we can see just by looking at them. But the particles that make up other objects, like the particles making up the glass on the screen of your phone, or the particles in the air, we can't see these because they're so small. And when we zoom in even further inside particles, so if we look inside a sand grain, or we look inside the glass making up your phone, if we keep zooming in, then eventually we will find atoms. So atoms are the smallest particle that make up matter. And that's going to be the focus for this topic. So atoms are the smallest particle making up matter. And we can add some extra detail and say they're the smallest whole particle, because they are made up of other things, atoms, but for now we'll think of them as one object. So here are some common diagrams of what atoms look like. So we can see that atoms are made up of even smaller objects, but for now we're just going to think of atoms as a simple circle. They're the smallest object that makes up everything, all other matter in the universe.